Okay, so now we're going to look at what happens when our number in our hundreds place is the same. Now remember I said when we add, subtract, and do problems like that, we start with our lowest digit and work to our highest. So we start with our tens and would work up to our hundreds or thousands or whatever we ended with. But when we're comparing numbers, we wanted to start with our biggest number. So just like we work up from 1 to 10 in adding and subtracting, tens is the place we go when our place in the hundreds is the same number. So let's look at these numbers, 654 and 639. So our number in the hundreds spot is the same. They're both sixes. So the next place we would look is in our tens. So we have a 5 and a 3. So we look at those numbers to determine which is bigger, and we solve our problem from there. So in this case, 654 is our bigger number, so our symbol opens towards that number. This is because, again, the hundreds place is the same, but 5 is bigger than 3. So 654 is bigger than 639. Now in this one, we have 376 and 398. Again, our number in our hundreds place is exactly the same, so we have to look at our tens, which on this side is a 7, and on this side is a 9. So, pause the video, determine which one you think is bigger, and then unpause it to see the answer. So in this case, our symbol opens towards our 398 because 9 is bigger than 7. So 398 is bigger than 376. Now our last one, we have 545 and 545. Now, I threw a little bit of a curveball, but we did talk about what symbol means they're the same. And we know by looking at these, they are exactly the same number because we have the same number in all of our places. So we add an equal sign. This is also a valid option because it means that the two numbers on each side are the exact same number and mean the same thing and have the same value.